Okay, going to show you how to build a rapid fire dice box. So I've got all the pieces. I've primed them already, so the insides are all painted, but hasn't been painted for like exterior decoration or anything like that. We've got some super glue, and we've got some super glue activator, makes it a lot easier. So first off, we start with taking the main body and fitting the dice chute. So that will slot in to these holes and these slots right there. So we need to get some super glue inside. So some super glue there. Put some activator on the chute. Make sure you got it the right way around and slot it straight in. And then we want to make sure it's nice and square at the bottoms. And then we'll just hold this until it sets. Seems like it's nice and set. Then we take the doors, so take the inside door first, so it's got a longer little axle than the other door, and that goes into this piece here. So we'll slot that in the door in the closed position. And we'll take the other door, slot that in, again in the closed position. Make sure they're seated nicely at the bottom. And then to lock them in place, we take these small little hinge closer parts. So we fit those into the slot there, and we've got to put some glue on. Make sure we only put the glue on the outside in this area, otherwise it could stick to the door. So I'll start off spraying a bit of activator in, get some glue on here, pop it in the slot. And hold it in place until that glue dries, trying to get your finger stuck. Activator works pretty fast, it's good. And then the same on the other side, so it goes in like that way. So we'll put the glue on this outside. Bit of activator. Drop it in the slot. Wipe off a bit it's gone over the side. And then hold it in place without sticking my fingers. Okay, that's done. Turn it over, take the door. These two axles slot into these bits down inside there. Drop them in, and then this is the part that closes the hinge at the bottom. See the shape there? So we'll put some glue on the outside and on these underside bits. The outside again, spray some activator in. You've got to make sure you don't put glue on the bit where the door axle is going to want to rotate. If we do that, we might end up with one that doesn't slide. Slot it in place, and again push it right the way down and just hold it in place until that glue dries. And applying a bit of pressure on either side here to try and any bend that's happened or warping with the print, this should shore it up again. What's that mean? Yeah, we'll watch it back with my voice.
Really long one there.
Got my son helping me today. Right, and then we turn it over, and then we've got to close this gap here. This also is the latch part for this door mechanism. So again, we'll spray some spray in there. We'll put some glue on the sides, on these surfaces. That surface there. Make sure it's the right way up. drop it in, and again I'm going to give this a pinch to keep it nice and tight. Let that glue dry. Not quite dry on that side. I'm going to give it another little spray, this activator. Try and get it to set. Looks like it's done. And then we turn it over and take the door. That is the latch that goes over this bit. So we slide it in those grooves and give that a little push down to help the latch lock. And then we're done. So we'll load it up with some dice, show it works. So the hatch down, open the top. Takes 30 dice. These are 16mm dice.
There's none at the very side.
Not the side. It's working, look at that. Okay, so we take out sacks of 5, nice and quick. Oops. So when we count some dice out in the game.
There's 32 there you had.
32, it's 30, I counted them. Right, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There's 30. So we'll show you how they put them away back into the box. So we close the door. We'll put 10 of them into the top.
And then 20 in the bottom.
20 in the bottom, that's it. So we'll take 20 dice. Push those ones right in the bottom there. And then another row of them. And then the rest just fit nicely on there. And then the door slides across. And we're ready to take to the game.